This is a working app. It tracks habits, saves your progress, has buttons that actually work, and I built it in under 10 minutes without writing a single line of code. Let me show you exactly how. Gemini is one of the free AI tools that can replace expensive software. Today I'm proving it. We are building a real app from blank screen using nothing but plain English. No coding, no templates, completely free. I'm Gemini and I'm using a feature called Canvas. In here I tell Gemini this thing. Build me a simple habit tracker app. I want to add habits, mark them done each day, and see a strict count for each one. Make it clean and simple looking. Watch the right side. It's literally writing and running code in real time. Well. My app is ready. I add my first habit. I can add another one. And if I press on mark done, it's done. Now I understand that I need to add few changes into this habit tracker. So I tell this one, add a strict counter that shows how many days in a row I've completed each habit and make the completed habits turn green. And press on submit. This is a real power. I'm not just starting over. I'm just talking to the developer sitting next to me. And it's updating the same app. Add a small celebration animation when a streak hits 7 days. Boom. A few years ago, building even this simple app meant hiring a developer or learning to code for weeks. Right now, you just need to describe what you want clearly. After talking with this AI, right now I have this output. Okay, as you can see, I have psychology, space, history, human body, word cup. And if I want, I can create a new note. So in this part, I will type the note title. I can use the category AI, the type is a note, and in here I'm going to type what I want. I can also type tags in this part, and after that, save it. Right now, if I go to the AI part, I will see a note that I have. The other thing that I add into this note taker is I can easily import and export the files that I have. And with a simple click, I can download the project. Subscribe if you want to see me build something different every week with free AI tools.